I got a few, Simon, I got a few requests to ask you to demonstrate how to Ollie with the fingerboard, because I heard that you know how to actually
Ollie.
a real Ollie. Simon can use his fingers like we use our feet. So I don't know if you can, you have to look close.
Yeah, all right. So for the Ollie, yeah, so part of what I really liked about fingerboarding for me was, as I, was skating a lot and stuff, it reminded me so much of skating, fingerboarding, just the way your fingers move and all the tricks work. The physics are almost exactly the same, right? So for an Ollie, right? I'll move my camera down. Okay. So an Ollie, right? It would look kind of like this, right?
Wow.
Oh, that was kind of bad. All right, that was an okay one. But so basically what you do is, I actually learned how to do it with 3 fingers first. I'm not sure why that helps, but someone told me to do that, and I was trying it with 3 fingers first, right? But the whole idea is you bring it back a little bit, right? So just a little bit. It's almost like if you were just to practice ollies, like stationary, right? Like standing still on your board, right? You'll notice that when you go to pop sometimes, like you might move a little bit back, right? It's the same idea. So you're gonna bring it back a little bit, you're gonna bring it up, and you're gonna raise your arm, so almost like you're jumping on 2 feet, but you're also gonna move your hand, right? And so what that motion is, just moving your fingers forward, it's gonna be like how on a regular ollie you would slide your front foot, right? And that's what's gonna get to level out. It's almost the same thing, right? You can go, right? It takes a lot of practice. I'm not kidding. Like, it took me a really long time to figure it out. But honestly, the more you do it, the better you'll get. Remember, it's just bringing it back, right? That's like really important. It's a little hard to ollie if you don't actually bring it back, right? If I'm just here, right, I might not get the height that I want. But if you bring it back, you can get it really high. You can like ollie into the ramp.
Whoa. You guys
right?
see that?
You can ollie over the ramp. Like skating, it's actually easier to ollie higher over stuff. Kickflips are easier. Honestly, that could be the case, I think everyone likes skating, fingerboarding can be different for everyone. Definitely the kickflips though, it's almost the same thing, right? As skating, you flick off, right? So you kind of look like you flick with your front finger and you'll get it to flip. Oh, that was a double flip. I don't know if you guys can even see that through the camera, but wow, you guys are making me want to fingerboard again. Get back into this. But yeah, so once you have a ramp, you can basically do whatever.